Hey guys, we're getting ready to do a project where we're raising a house that was out of level to begin with, and then they put blocks around it, and then they put additions. But we're going to try to raise it to center, and we've got blocks here already, blocks and cap blocks. These would be cap blocks, 4 inches thick, 8 inches wide, 16 inches long. They go on top or the bottom, solid. We have 20-ton jack. We have 4x4s, oak wedges, got lights, headlamps, coveralls, gloves, so that we don't get as dirty. There's a lot of hustle, a lot of dirt, and hard work, and it's no fun. But it does have some responsibility to it, some skill, a lot of skill. So I'll try to take you with me as we go underneath this house and see what we can do to make people's lives better. So come along with me in this great adventure down the rabbit hole. Hey, we're underneath here. It's quite interesting. You can see what's the animals coming in here and pulling down the insulation that would be with this insulation here. And if you followed me before, you've seen it before, you'll see it's tore up everywhere. And that's why you don't want to let animals get underneath your house, because they are trying to take care of themselves in the cold weather. Also, you want to be careful when you're walking, when you're crawling underneath here. You wouldn't be walking because this is not a freon line. If it was, you still wouldn't want to pinch it. This is a gas line, propane line. So you don't want to bend that, pinch it, and then have a problem, have to scramble out and turn the gas on. We're using these magnetic lights that I got from Harbor Freight that are adjustable. Kind of neat. It's the first time I've used them. I've used a lot of different other magnetics, but these work pretty good too. So what we're doing now is setting up the water level. And what I'm going to probably do is put a 2x here and then bring the reservoir up to the level of that frame, which I'll do with the other part of the level. First thing we got to do is pour water in there and get all the air bubbles out, and then we'll bring the water level and tuck it up in here, and we'll see where we're at as far as on the frame. So, by the way, there's a jack that somebody else left down here for I don't know how long. And that's a good example of what will happen to the cylinder if you leave it up, it will rust like that. I don't know if that bad, but that then will tear up the rubber gasket that keeps oil from spilling out. So you don't want to leave your jack up. You definitely don't want to leave jack underneath the house like that one. Maybe there's something wrong with it, I don't know. But here we go. We'll take you along with us.